I forgot. This was my Jasper Johns, my pocketbook for Jasper Johns 2020. I know. My ode to his lover, Rauschenberg, who now I see is going to bite us all in the butt like Miss Pac-Man. You really are. You are. I have to work on that. It's going to fall out. There he is. No, I didn't hide him in the closet. Is that what you're going to say now? I'm going to get a little light. I am. Somewhere I'm like a little itty bitty one. Just as easily as I found these little itty bitty screws. No one has done as much for the lover of Jasper. There's going to be a little light. And maybe when he croaks, I'll put him in there too. I don't know yet. You know, you just have a problem when you hear me talk like that. I don't know why. It bothers everybody. Oh, yes, it did. You've never? You know, it's like a pinball machine. When it gets stuck in there, it makes lots of points. Maybe they got mad. I don't know. You see, this lady for licensing, she says Johns doesn't do that, but the social science book, this is Jasper Johns. It is. He says we don't do it. Mr. Johns does not allow cropping, overprint, alterations of his work. You created your own drawings based on John's works. Yeah, within. If you are planning to create your own work based on his work within for the front and back cover, I'm really not sure he would authorize that. But you authorize that, and it's the same concept. Social science. I'm a little behind. What do you want from me? A little margin notes and we wouldn't have wasted 7 years. But the Townsend versus HUD, how that, I don't even know. That's sad. Forget about Mr. St. Hours. I think he's what? Unless the picture's fake, 5 years younger than me? I gave them the whole story. Yes, I did. Second edition, Beyond Style. We communicated back in 2021. You requested a summary. I don't know where it's going. It changes every day. But you know what the sad thing is? The sad thing is, in England, it's classified. War treaties, it's classified. In America, you made movies, and you threw some British people in there. So basically, European soldiers, English, they're fighting a battle when they don't even know the truth about the last 3. You don't have that in America. Chucky. And this, Mr. St. Hours, I am the only I am the only person to contact America Rodriguez. I am the only person to buy the Philadelphia magazine, nominating both America and Mumia, up-and-coming journalists, January 81. By December, by Mumia. I can safely say I am the only one. And the second call no, she doesn't return it. And I can safely say in 95 of November, as a student of UMBC, I'm the only person that went to that Platt's office and your royal housing stamp fluctuating on a daily basis. I already told you, Eleanor's United Nations is not for Sophia. I would never use it anyway. Any woman, Ancestry is going to allow your lineage. You should have said it to begin with. You should have made the magazine. Gotta go. It's a compilation of 6 or 7 different Jasper Johns. Do it yourself. You know, when she said no pens, it's on caustic. You know, it's a very hard medium. It dries up. Maybe he uses a blow dryer. His is huge. This is as close to I Love Lucy, only, or Demi Moore. But really, that's Kathy D'Annunzio's mother. She takes that pottery in Elmsford. Is there something cryptic? Not as cryptic as that Oldenburg's underdog underwear, brown. No, I don't know. Just a little, I don't know. Light bulb when I get the time. Maybe like the one that, and you go, and it gets brighter. Not 3 times. He's a Greek-Rican. He came here for the veterans. He is a Greek-Rican. Knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Oh, I heard some guy who worked at Kinko's. You know what happened to him? You know how he died? They were cleaning the gun below, and somehow he was sitting on his couch. No, gotta watch out for that. Isn't that sad? I was just cleaning my gun.